Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best recumbent bikes that are available on the market. Actually, I made this list based on their quality, price, popularity, durability, user opinion, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to view future videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have Nautilus R614 recumbent bike. The Nautilus R614 bike recumbent is a really great bike for the price. In fact, do not miss this much bike offered by its big brother, the Nautilus R616, for more than $200. Basically, the R614 straight bike has 5 lower resistance levels and 7 fewer programming exercises. It also does not provide the ability to use a heart rate chest belt. Other than that, you get the same exercise bike lying heavily. You can get great quality come with the name of Nautilus. Moving on at number 4, we have Exerpeutic 400XL folding recumbent bike. It seems to prove, like the Exerpeutic folding magnetic upright bike, that just because it is cheap, it does not have to act cheaply. Half of the cling points to the fact that it is a cross between a straight and perpendicular bike. Your legs are in front of you and down, on a corner of your body. The joggers are more in front of you, and with the straight bike, they are under your control. Instead of looking at this solution as a compromise, it is seen as providing a comfortable and effective exercise, as evidenced by the number of positive reviews left by customers. There's so much you like about the bike, especially for the price, but it's not perfect because there are some things you're looking for. In this review, after researching the bike in depth, we will explain what to consider when considering buying a bike for low-impact heart exercises in your home. At number 3, we have Schwinn 230 recumbent bike. The Schwinn 230 is an upscale bike rebate with bunches of highlights. 22 pre-exercise programs, heart rate control, speakers, and that's just the beginning. The flywheel weighs around 13 pounds, which is light for general learners. The Schwinn 230 is a standout amongst the most prominent recreational bikes in Schwinn. It has an extremely sensible cost, however, it has 22 pre-modified projects, heart rate screens, speakers, and the sky is the limit from there. Its flexibility and client profiles help make Schwinn 230 a possibility for some home exercise centers. The flywheel weighs around 13 pounds. The wheel gives satisfactory weight to cardiovascular activities and keeps your muscles conditioned, however not especially overwhelming. It is a similar part utilized on modest Schwinn 220 shabby bike. At number 2, we have Xtra Fitness FB150 folding bike. It is safe to say that you are searching for a viable method to consume calories and show signs of improvement shape. Xtra Fitness FB150 folding bike is the ideal exercise device to enable you to dispose of calories serenely. To guarantee a smooth and strong exercise, the FB150 utilizes the plan of an inflexible X outline with thick steel tubes and a quiet drive framework. Test yourself with 8 levels of opposition while you can track all activity information effortlessly with a simple-to-utilize support. It furnishes you with notes on speed, remove, time, calories, and heartbeat, and in addition a helpful checking highlight. Make your activity more compelling by observing your heart rate effectively utilizing handheld heartbeat sensors on the guiding wheel. And finally at number 1. The magnetic recumbent bike, exercise bike, 350 pounds high. It has a simple and beautiful design that looks smart, so you will not be in your eyes at home. It comes with some great features. It can be adjusted to fit a range of heights correctly to allow for an effective workout. The resistance can be adjusted to fit different fitness levels, and it has a feedback module to keep you motivated. The most remarkable thing is its spectacular price, which certainly draws attention. But the bike needs to be more than just a good price. Visitors' comments seem to have only 2 things to consider, and if you are not aware, you may be disappointed. In the review we look at how to get a good workout in your home. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helps you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can comment down. I hope back to you as soon as possible.